Welcome to our comprehensive guide on welding for beginners. In this tutorial, we will explore the fundamental techniques, safety measures, and equipment needed to kickstart your welding journey. Welding is a versatile skill that opens doors to creativity and welding versatile skills. Today we will focus on make welding perfect for noise due to ease of use. Before diving into the process, safety is paramount. Ensure you are equipped with welding helmet, gloves and appropriate clothing to protect you against UV rays. Next, let familiarize ourselves with welding machines, understanding its component setting and how it set up correctly. Use setup times to prepare workpieces, cleaning, composing with the welding. As we begin with welding process, we will demonstrate the correct posture, hand positioning, movement to achieve clean and score while remember practice make perfect. We will also troubleshoot common issues like spatter and even birds, providing tips of improvement by you will have the solid foundation make welding empowering you to tackle your own project with confidence. Welding as a hobby to considering it potential profession, this video aims to equip with you fundamental knowledge needed to kickstart your welding journey. Today we are diving into the essential equipment required, safety measures, prioritized deferred welding techniques, stick welding and step-by-step instruction on how to execute a basic welding project. You will have a solid understanding of welding fundamentals, enabling you to confidently tackle your initial welding project. Covering essential equipment, safety protocols, and step by step techniques to kickstart your welding processes. Either you are drawn to make TIG or stick welding. Welding will provide cleaner, concise instruction equipment as visual demonstration, enabling you to grasp intricacies of each method. You will have gained confidence in your ability to execute site-pacing while with understanding the safety measures necessary to ensure a successful ensure welding experience. Join us on exciting journey as we ignite your passion for welding and set your path become a potential welder, such as welding machines, protective gear and materials to mastering basic welding techniques. Like stick welding, MIG welding, and TIG welding, this tutorial aims to demystify the art of joining metal. Each stage will thoroughly explains, providing practical tips and troubleshooting advice to help beginners ignite potential challenge. Viewers will gain confidence in their welding abilities and equip with fundamental skills to embark on their own welding project. So let's dive into to explore the fascinating reclaim of welding together. YouTube requires a structured approach to ensure clarity and depth in the content. Aims to deliver step-by-step welding project crafting to noise in the field The project will cover fundamental techniques, safety measures, equipment overview, and hand on demonstration. It will begin with the introduction to welding, emphasizing safety, protocols, and importance protective gear. Others develop into an overview of welding equipment, detailing the function of each tool. Subsequently, it will demonstrate basic welding techniques such as arc welding, projective application, and different to reference. Learning the projective will offer practical demonstration, providing viewers with the hand-on experience. Each step will be carefully experienced, ensuring comprehensive and confidence building among beginners. Additional troubleshooting common welding issue with covered empowering how to tackle challenge effectively. Finally, the project will conclude with tips to maintain the proper storage of welding equipment, promoting longevity and safety. Overall, this YouTube welding project will serve as our includes guide to equip beginners with essential knowledge and skills to embark on their welding journey. Techniques and safety measures needed to embark on your welding journey. We will cover the fundamental aspect of welding equipment such as selecting the right welding machines and choosing appropriate materials. Overall, it develop into the safety protocols including proper ventilation equipment setup, ensuring environment for your welding and over. Throughout the project, we will demonstrate step-by-step instruction for beginners friendly welding project, allowing you to apply your newfound knowledge and skill effectively. Join us for this instructional video ignite your passion for welding and embark on fulfilling journey to reclaim metal fusion and fabrication. From understanding different type of welding machines and their functionalities to mastering the art of selecting appropriate materials, tutorial aims intensify the fundamental of welding throughout the project, emphasizes place, safety, working environmental as developed deeper. We develop into various welding techniques such as including their techniques applications for beginners to hone their welding skills effectively. Inspiring welders have gained a solid foundation, empowering them to embark on your welding journey with confidence and competence. Detailing necessary equipment such as welding process, preparing materials, setting setup welders, execute site various welding techniques, emphasizing safety measures throughout the voice will encourage beginners to practice proper protocols, control to confidently in their welds, further in the troubleshooting common welding issue, maintaining environment and welding journey with confidence. The narrative will conclude the highlighting the importance of continuing practice with seeking further guide from experienced welder or additional resource to hone their skills and expand their welding properties. In their welding journey, providing them to valuable insight and hands on experience in this captivating craft. This YouTube video aims to empower beginners with the confidence and knowledge necessary to embark on their welding journey. Thank you so much for watching this video.